Hello everybody, today in front of me I have BLACKVIEW BL6000 Pro 5G, and in this video we are going to demonstrate how you can activate and manage the keyboard clipboard on this device. So first of all, let's call out for the keyboard. I will use this Google search bar for it. Here on top of the characters and numbers, look for this very icon that basically stands for the clipboard itself. Tap on it, and in order for us to activate the clipboard, all we gotta do is to turn on this small switch, and as you can see, the clipboard has been successfully activated. In order for us to be able to manage any clipboard elements, we gotta tap on this pencil, choose what elements we would like to remove, and then tap on this trash bin. In order to add anything to the clipboard, we just gotta copy it. So I'll type in the word car, select it, press on copy, and if I'll get back to the clipboard, I'll see that the car element has been successfully added. And from here we can conveniently paste it by just tapping on any desired element. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!